Where do unions go? Good job, Jesse.
Enak.
Kindergarten has been working so hard over the past couple of weeks, and so they are super excited to share all these really neat songs with you. We really hope you enjoyed them.
We've joined together as classmates as a new year begins, a year full of learning while we become friends. We have shared and been kind as we have worked and played, and our friendship has grown with each passing day. Are you listening, everyone? Everyone? Clap if you are listening. Clap if you are listening. It's time to show you what you need to know. So whenever you make a mistake, just say, now try another way.
Being a goody two-shoes, these shoes fit just about anyone. Wow, they even have 2 left feet. They look really good on you.
And your voices must be soft so I can hear you. After our voices can be loud so I can hear you. better. Teachers like you are far and different. You're happy hours like the green. You always help me and go way beyond. For all your hard work, I thankfully respond. Thank you, teachers, family, and friends, for your support tonight and always.
Kindergarten. Please take bow. Take bow, kindergarten. Very, very good. And how about our speakers? Can you stand up and take a bow? Good job. You guys did absolutely wonderful. They have been such a joy to work with over the past couple of weeks. They've really enjoyed these songs. So it's been a lot of fun. It's been a lot of fun. Thank you so much for being here tonight. We appreciate your flexibility and your being here tonight. Thank you. We want to really thank Mrs. Howe. Every year I've done this with her for 8 years now, and every year it's my favorite one. So this was really my favorite one. She does a wonderful job. So please give Ms. Howe